What's up, YouTube? It's EJ John coming at you at a Sunday evening. Just giving you a quick little update video on the little minor changes that I did to the car. So, actually, we'll start you off with the back. So, what we got new, got rid of the 2K, got the Crescendo BC 5500. I'm only on half power right now. Got another one coming in soon. Same battery, same highs, just moved the fans around. Nothing special. And the question that all you have been waiting for me to answer is two SSA Evil 15s. Same box, same everything. I know you all were asking me what I'm going to be doing since I got rid of the PSIs. Well, this is it. Right now they're seeing about true power, about $3 grand a piece. And after Slamfest, which is next weekend, we're gonna break the knob off this year for sure. Be sure to come out, check us out. Sorry about the mess. I haven't really got a chance to clean it up since all the testing and shit. And let me pop my hood so you guys could see this again for like the 20th time. Minor change up here. I just kind of put a idler pulley at the bottom of my alternator so I get a little bit more belt wrap. So now I don't have any voltage problems anymore. But same shit, just really dirty today. Haven't got it chance to clean before the show. But that's all the upgrades for now. Come out and hear this bad boy at Slamfest. And before Spring Break Nationals, I'll definitely have the other amp and different batteries by then. But let's get some flex going.
City got cushion, my social, I'm smoking.
As you guys can see, it is extremely fucking windy. With that 26 hertz port in there, it gets pretty low. And I'm gonna try to get this fixed by Slamfest. Kind of broke it the first day of testing, so. But play another song for you guys and we'll wrap it up.
Nigga been did that. 100 pack boy, you ain't never seen 100. Think I'm falling for a damn, man. You wanna ask something, man? What are you doing in here? I think I'm falling for a shit.
Gotta remember, hashtag ain't loud. Holy fuck. Alright guys, I gotta slow the frame rate down on that one. That's fucking insane. I'll restart the video. Let's try that again.
But I'm trying to take this woman home with me. I think I'm falling for a shit.
Holy fuck. Check one. That's fucking violent. Holy shit.
From the start, so maybe it's the sub or the read or the lip or the fuck. Falling for a strip, I'm falling for a shit. I'm falling for a shit.
Well, that's a little preview for you guys before Slamfest. But yeah, it's only a half power now, so definitely SBN is the time to get a demo. But she will be at Slamfest and she will be banging. Alright guys. Well, that's all I got for you today. Hope you guys enjoy. This is EJ John and my homie Owen signing out. Another bass video. Fucking getting crazy. Hell yeah. See you guys at Slamfest.